Welcome everybody to Lifeline. Here, once you launch the application, you'll be either directed to enter pre-existing credentials, or if you haven't created one already, you'll be able to create one. Since we already have an existing credential, we'll just use our pre-existing one. But you can use your first name, last name, email, Gmail, or PSU, and just confirm your password, and you're able to create an account. Once you create an account, you'll be redirected to the main page where you're able to see your subject, calendar, resources, and challenges. Starting with the subject folder, you're able to create subjects based on your curriculum in your nursing program. Since I have math here, I already created math. If you want to create a new one, you just select the top right, enter the subject name, enter the color of your choosing, and since we already have some created, we'll just go into those. If you want to delete, you can select the whole present, select delete. And since we want to access them, we'll just select it once. We'll see our activities, grades, and weekly progress. From here, if you want to select our activities, we can go into our activities. We can select how much time is being spent on each subject activities. Let's say I spent about a few seconds on quiz questions. I made sure to add that. If I want to add more, I could select the top right, create an activity, the color, and just overall create an activity in order to keep track of my time. And if I want to add a stopwatch, I just click the activity, keep track of the timer, see how long I want to keep the timer for. I said 8 questions per question, and I got redirect back. And now I'll access the grades page. If I want to enter a grade for, let's say I got a 60 out of 100 on my first exam, I made sure to click the top right, enter the grade name, select type of grade, the points that I've earned over the total points, and it'll be created promptly to keep track of my overall feedback on how much grades am I earning in my subject course, while also keeping track of how much time I'm putting in my subject course. And now I could also keep track of my time in the weekly progress as well from Monday to Sunday. Since I don't have activity time inputted consistently, it's not showing too much of a bar, but if you keep inputting time, you'll be seeing that progress on the weekly progress bar. Now if I redirect back and now select the bottom calendar tab, I'm easily navigated to see which events that I am able to create based on, let's say I have a senior meeting, I'm able to create an event on top right. I have an event name, description, I choose a date that I want. If I want to create an event, I can select create event, but since I already have one created, I just have one set for April 14, and this helps ultimately create a to-do list of what you need to complete by the end of the week. And if you navigate to the resources page, if you want to enter any Penn State resources, you're able to access Penn State Starfish, get redirected to the website and log in with your credentials. If you need to access counseling, disability resources, any wellness advising, you're able to either reach out directly by email by selecting the email or phone number, and it'll get redirected to your mail or phone application. If you have any issues regarding reaching the physical building, you're able to select the address link and it'll give you directions promptly to how you can access the physical building. And now, lastly, to our rewards tab, we're able to check our challenges and see what challenges we need to complete by the end of the week based on activity time. So, as much time that you input on a subject course, you're able to earn rewards and badges and ultimately get a green progress bar, as you can see below, and see how much time you're actually being put into each subject course. And lastly, if you want to keep track of your progress and you want to ultimately offer your counselor any feedback that you may want to based on your subject course load and productivity, you're able to download your progress right here by selecting the top left and select download progress. From here, you're able to generate a progress report and ultimately just give as much feedback as possible to your counselor. Once again, thank you for the brief presentation, and I hope you enjoyed that.